Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this 1217 minimum cost to move chips to the same position. So this problem is somehow like a brainstorming problem that you need to think a little bit. So it says that you can move all the chips to the same positions, and in one step you can change the position to position I in wherever. But you can see that if you add 2 or minus 2 with cost 0, if you add 1 or minus 1 with cost 1, right? So this is a parity issue. So for example, in this case, that a one, and you need to return the minimum cost, need to move all the chips to the same position. For example, you can put 3 in here, right, and 2 in here, right? So total it costs the 2, so it costs 1, right? Because these 3 go to 1, 2 go to 1, and the 3 go to 1 do not do anything, right? But 2 go to 1 will add 1. So this problem is basically asked that you should only consider the even or odd. So you can move all the odd coins, odd position 1, 3, 5 into 1, and all the even to 2, and then check that where they are the same. Check that where they're which one is bigger. Right, so even 0, odd is 0. Then you just go through the positions. If it's even, then you just add 1, otherwise add 1, and then you compute the minimum. This is the answer. And you can easily say that each for all even position, the result is the same. For all odd position, also the same, right? Because you can move even, you can add 2 or minus 2 without any cost. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, see you guys next videos.